How's it going, everyone? In today's lesson, we're going to set up a MetaMask wallet and explain some of its key features. So without further ado, let's type in metamask.io. Go ahead and click download now. And we're going to click install MetaMask for Chrome. Now, just a disclaimer, this is disclosure, I'm sorry. It's supported by three primary browsers, Chrome, Firefox, and Brave. At the moment, I'm using Brave browser, but it also, again, supports Chrome and Firefox. So go right ahead and click install MetaMask for Chrome. You're going to be navigated to the Chrome Web Store, so make sure to verify that you're downloading the real MetaMask extension by double checking who it's offered by. In this case, it should be offered by MetaMask.io. Okay. Once confirmed, go right ahead and click Add to Brave or Add to Chrome, and then click Add Extension. Once installed, you'll see a small fox icon pop up on the top right corner of your window. There it is. MetaMask has been added to Brave or has been added to Chrome. Now a new tab will open up. It's going to bring you to a welcome to MetaMask page. So let's go right ahead and click get started. Let's create a wallet. Let's agree to the terms. All right, so when making a password, please make sure to create something memorable, right? It's kind of like a bank account or your PIN code, right, at the ATM. Your password controls access to all your funds that is within your wallet, right? So let's make something that I'll remember. Okay, and make sure that they match. We're going to say that I have read and agreed to the terms of use. Click create. Okay. So once you set up your password, MetaMask is going to generate a 12-word backup or mnemonic phrase, right? That's exactly what we're looking at here. So go right ahead and click reveal secret words. Okay. So this 12-word phrase is to be used in case you've forgotten your password for some odd reason, right? And you'll like to input this wallet into maybe another MetaMask browser or another wallet interface of some sort, whatever the case may be. So make sure to write this phrase down and keep it in a safe location. If anyone has access to these words, they can easily liquidate your wallet and you'll start from the ground up again. So I'll give you a moment to write down your phrase. I'm going to do the same. Once you have it written down, we're going to proceed. So click next. And now we have to confirm our phrase once again. So let's do that real quick. All right, once you're done, click confirm. And congratulations, you've just set up your wallet, you passed the test, and now remember to keep your seed phrase safe. As said here in MetaMask, it's your responsibility. So I'm just going to read some of the tips here that it says. So tips on storing it safely: save a backup in multiple places, never share the phrase with anyone, be careful of phishing. MetaMask will never spontaneously ask you for your seed phrase. If you need to back up your seed phrase again, you can find it in settings in the security section. If you ever have questions or see something fishy, email support@metamask.io. Okay? So to kind of give some background info, right? MetaMask is kind of like a decentralized bank. Okay, so which means that there isn't a centralized authority that can control your funds at any moment in time. However, also because it's decentralized, there isn't a customer service representative or office, right, to help recover your account. So it may be best to keep your password and phrase again within a safe place or in multiple safe locations. All right, so once this is done and you reconfirmed your phrase, you're ready to rock. So let's click all done. And voila, here we are. So this is your account wallet landing page, right? This is what you're going to be looking at all the time when you're sending and receiving funds. Okay, so to receive funds such as ETH or maybe an ERC20 token, such as DAI or US dollar coin, we're going to click deposit and view account, right? So this is the easier way of seeing your public key, and that's what it's called. Whenever you provide someone your address, you're technically saying that you're providing them with your public key, and this is the only way that they could send funds to your wallet and vice versa. Okay, so you could do it in the way that we just did, through the QR code, or right here through the offered public key, or you could get a little bit more technical and view it on Etherscan, where it presents to you your wallet address, your balance, the amount of ETH value that is within your balance, and the transactions that you have executed within your wallet. And as of right now, there has been none, and I'm assuming the same has been on your end as well. So let's click out of here. All right, or simply you just click right there and it's copied. So those are the three methods that you could kind of copy and share your public key. So to reiterate, anyone who has a copy of your public key can deposit funds into your account, right? So now to send funds with MetaMask, just paste the public key in the recipient address bar and the desired amount. Once you type in the amount, you'll see a gas fee begin to populate. So at the moment, nothing is there. So let's take a quick second, and I'm going to deposit some funds into this account. And voila, there it is. I just received $2.01 to my MetaMask wallet. Okay, so now what happens if I would like to send it? So we're going to click send. We're going to click a particular address of some sort. So I'm going to go right ahead and scan an address here. All right. And now it shows the asset that I'll be using, which is ETH, the balance that I have in my account, the amount that I'll be sending, which I will send $1. I'll send $1, and now the transaction fee. So let's go into advanced options. So here we're seeing gas price and gas limit. Now what exactly does that mean? So once you type in the amount, you'll see this gas fee begin to populate. So for further insight, any transaction that you do on the Ethereum virtual machine must be facilitated with a fee called gas. So simply put, the gas price is the amount you're willing to pay for every unit of gas in the denomination of Gwei. And I'm not going to get into the specifics, but just know that that's the terminology. The gas limit is the maximum amount of gas you're willing to spend to execute the transaction. So just look at this all as like a tax, right? When you go and buy a coffee at Starbucks, you pay maybe the 6% or 3% tax wherever you are on that cup of coffee, right? So that's maybe 8 cents, 10 cents, what have you. So I'm not going to touch anything. I'm just going to click save, and we're going to send the transaction. Right now the gas fee is 4 cents. So in total, I'll be spending $1.04. We're going to confirm. And perfect. And just like that, the transaction is confirmed. So we could easily go and view on Etherscan to see if the transaction was successful. And indeed it was. The status is successful. This is the transaction hash, the time on how long ago the transaction was executed, who it was from, who it was going to, the value that was within that particular transaction, the amount paid for the transaction, the gas limit, and the gas price paid. And just like that, not only did you set up your MetaMask wallet, but you also learned how to receive and send ETH from your wallet. Hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward to the next class. Have a good one, y'all.